Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot, brought to you by Trade Stockers and Ninja Pro Traders. It is February the 16th, about 7:20 Central Standard Time. As we take a look last night, we had opens at 23.50.25, overnight high 23.50.75, and the market moved down this morning, and we're sitting here at about 23.45.50, and the market's just slowly creeping down. Found some good support, I think, right here. However, if we break down and come down to the bottom of yesterday's zone into this area, it's going to come back up and retrace to 23.45.50, and then look for it to move down into this next zone right in here. Let me change this out real quick. Love Ninja. There we go. Pulling right back here to 20 at the 23.43. Yeah, possibly down in here to the 41.50. It's not a very strong support area, except for right here was the yesterday's high, which it might hold. That's about the only thing for this support. So if it gets down to this support, it's likely to head on down to the next level at 38, 37 area right here. And then as we move down, looking for the open of yesterday at this 35.50 and the overnight low of 31 from yesterday. This is where I expect the lowest part of the day if we can actually get there. We do have targets to the south with the 38, 37 area down to the 23.75, and that's it for today. Now, like I said, right here could be the main, if we get down in here, this would be the area where they're going to step in, buyers are going to step in, and we're going to hold and start reversing and heading back to the long side. Another area possible is right here in the middle. So as it comes back through, my kind of momentum will take it down through this 35 and then rotate up and start to the trek back to the upside. But if you're just going to play this strong, wait for the zone movements going in and out. Wait for a good strong move to the upside. Is wait till we get back up, cross above the 24 VWAP, closing above this zone at 23.47.75. Look for that first target up here at 23.50, right up in this area, and then maybe even creep up to that overnight high of 51.50, then pull back. We would like to see it hold the 23.50, 25 open, but if it doesn't, it could still technically come down to this zone and then retrace back up to the zone. Once it gets to the top part of this zone, look for a retracement to the open again, 50-50, and then look for a nice strong move up if we can get the buyers to really step in up into this 57 area zone, followed by a 23.60.75. Look for the pullback about a point or two behind each zone here as a pullback once it gets in there to go long. Just keep that in mind. So now that we've looked at those, let's go look at the market profile today. Bring it up. And you can see from this daily chart, we came up and hit that 51 target right here. We got here a little sooner than I thought we would even, but we have got there. So we just need to be aware of other key levels now that where volume has made its stop along the way, because this is all new territory. So we had some volume in these two places as it moved up to the upside. So we need to keep an eye on this 23.23 and 23.65 for a pullback, okay? At the pullback to this one, look for the long. If it falls all the way through, look for this pullback here at 23.13 for it to go back to the upside. Next target on the daily time frame, 23.82, 1.414 extension of the FEB. On our 4-hour time frame, as you can see, we got our pullbacks as we look back in the past, got right up and we held at this 127 right there, pulled up, pulled back and retouched it again. Then we got the move right up to the 141, up through it, pulled back to it, and now we've moved up into this just above this 16188 right here. So we've got other targets to the top based on our previous charts. And sorry, having trouble talking this morning. And that's where we are today. So if you have any questions, contact Frank at tradestalkers.com and have a great day.